Hey guys, what's up? This is Shahul from NS channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about how you can convert your mobile phone as a spy camera. How you can record videos as a spy camera with your mobile phone. Okay guys, it is very simple process to convert your mobile phone as a spy camera. Okay guys, first of all we want to go. Those people who does not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and please like my video. Don't forget to click the bell icon for more interesting videos. Guys, if you want to convert your mobile phone as a spy camera, you need to install an application. It is called 4-in-1 screen recording. I can give the download link on my description box. Simply follow the download link from my description box and download the 4-in-1 screen recording application. And you can also download this application from Play Store and App Store also. Just simply go to the Play Store and search here 4-in-1 screen recorder and download this application. Okay guys, after download and installation process complete, simply open this application and you can find here 4 different options like voice recording, video recording, screen recording and call recording. Yeah. If you want to record your videos as a spy camera with your mobile phone, you want to click the video recording icon, video recording option. When you click the video recording option, the timing is starts. The timing is indicates your video recording process is also starts, but it does not display in your home screen. It is great thing guys. Okay guys, this app is legal. This app is not illegal guys. This app is legal and you can use this for emergency purposes and any helping purposes. Some example, some hot crime is heading on in front of you, and if you want to help those people who are suffering from the crime and you don't have that much ability to take direct video from your phone, then simply on this video recording option and just put your phone in your pocket and stay alone. All process is recorded in your phone. Anybody can't know what you are recording. Anybody can't know you are recording the video, because the video process does not display in your home screen. It is just spy recording. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can must download this application from my description box or Play Store and App Store. Thank you for watching. I hope you can use this application for legal purpose. Please guys, don't use this app for illegal purpose. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.